The education system in Kenya is in a big mess.
The country's education sector is lurching towards a full-blown financial meltdown.
Thaici kuria Ministry of Education no mathina maratara na recently muthenya wa umuthi ntwarikia kuona ati treasury ni yarikia kuga ati gutire ona ndururu hari supplementary budget ria yekiritwo ya go facilitate national exams ikoretwo ikikirwo mubango-ini ucio. By this I mean that right now gutire na mbia cia gukorwo cigikithia kigeranio gia KCPE, KCSE na KPSEA. Iyo nä ndåmärä ria ikoretwo ikirekererio ni thirikari ya William Ruto na ni undu ukoretwo ukirehe ndereti imwe nene muno tondu the people who are concerned in the Ministry of Education mararikia gukorwo makiuga ati in previous years ndereti iria ikoretwo iho ni ya mbia citaraigana cia maybe kuriha invigilators maybe a cut of the budget no gutire gwakinya handu ati mbia ciothe iria metetie cia go facilitate that examination citire ho. The only solution being left are aciari neo mekuruta mbia cia go facilitate the national exam, something that has never happened ever since free primary education yajie.
It gave a direction of rationalizing the budget before it was submitted to the National Assembly, and that is how the rationalization came in. And the examination money was one of the areas that went down.
But we shall not write our report without the examination money.
Gutire gwakorwo ati national exams aciari neo mara shughulika kana neo mara garamika. Na from that time niguo tuonire a generation, the generation that has been built from that era ni generation iroria thirikari ciuria imwe ndito muno. Ciuria imwe ndito muno like accountability questions. Why is this being done this way? Undu urathi na mbere uu niki? Mbia ici cirahuthirwo uu niki? Why are we using this much money in this project yet we can use this small money to do the same thing? By this I'm talking about the Gen Zs and the millennials. Na education sector ni koretwo igisuppresso even the higher education. Recently nitokoretwo tukiona the funding model iria yarehete thina muno hari comrades za campus makiuga ati it cannot work and they'll rather go to the previous one that was being used hukuma the previous days. Na maundu maya mothe mara happen revolving around the education sector. It is worrying. It is extra worrying. The moment you interfere with the education sector, it means that you're interfering with the next generation. A generation that generation area ego koro ekiaria kana eki air issues kana eki raise accountability issues in 10, 15 years to come. Even 5 years todo mundu thaici we 80. In the next 5 years ni agakorwo akinyetie miaka 18 koguo ni agathurana. Suppressing the education sector is finishing a country. Recently, bado ntoronire the school system makenda gucokeria ya tene ya 844 and just a few years ago niguo ma introduce the junior secondary education model, and right now marenda kuga ati ishoke to the previous one. Where are these experiment students going to go? Maundu maria mara happen in the education sector ni maundu maratuma andu makorwo makiona ta thirikari ya William Ruto on a mission to suppress the education sector. Any head of state who suppresses the education sector must have a mission iria arenda gukorwo agi-accomplish 10, 15, 20 years to come. Kiuria kinene ni, is William Ruto planning to stay in power 10, 15, 20 years to come? Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. That is purely my opinion. Na no comment yo twire maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ.